Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create downloadable products in Squarespace. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your website, and after that guys, just simply go ahead and go to the pages over here on the left side of the screen and just simply go to your shop. And now once you are on your shop, of course, just simply go ahead and create another product. So just simply click on over here the plus icon, and after that, as you can see, you should be able to see here download. So just simply click on download over here guys, and now just simply provide the product name of your downloadable product. So let's say I'm gonna go for limitless course, and after that just simply provide the description down below, and after that you can add a additional info if you prefer. And guys, make sure to add images on your downloadable product so you can attract more customer. So let's say I'm gonna upload our logo, and after that make sure to upload the file over here. So as you can see, when you click on here, just simply upload your downloadable product. So let's say I'm going to sell a PDF file, and click on open. So guys, as you can see over here, customer will receive a secure link to the file that will last 24 hours after the first download, and you can set the price over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for 5,000, and from here you can put it on sale. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And if you scroll down, you can add it to category, you can add a keyword to your product. And if you scroll down further, you can provide a product ads on as well, some related products. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And once you have provided the necessary information, just click on save over here on the top right, go for publish. And from there, your course should be live and people should be able to buy it. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.